Hi guys, welcome to my channel Bergman Capital. Today we are going to talk about Nasdaq 100 ETF, QQQ S&P 500 SPY equal weighted S&P 500 ETF, RSP, and small cap IWM. After 23rd of August on last Friday, Jeremy Powell stated that the interest rates, they will reduce it. They kept it over a year, and the upside risk to inflation have diminished, and the time came to reduce the interest rates. So based on this evidence, let's look at our ETFs and in the indexes. First ETF is QQQ. So QQQ is still recovering from the mini flash correction. Here it was sold out here, and now slowly recovering, but it still didn't come to all-time highs here. When we look at here, this is the resistance line, so we are coming to an important level. This level is very important for the longevity of the uptrend. So ideally, we would like to see here some kind of sideway consolidation and then push towards upside, retest the resistance level, and then go higher. So this would be a favorable pattern to continue if you want to QQQ has longer bull markets. And this V-shape recovery is not so favorable. That's why I would like to see some kind of sideway. This can be also under the resistance level. So this would be very favorable. So I would like to see some resting before pushing higher and then retest and then go up. Then we're still in the uptrend. So if we look here, so let's zoom out. Here we are here, up, down, up, higher lows, here higher high, and we almost made a lower low, but we bounced back here, and now we're a very important key level here. So this is very important. That's what I would like to see, some kind of resting and refuel the power and then push through the resistance line. If you're running very fast to the resistance line, this might really get rejected on this level. So this is kind of $505 to $500 level. So that's why it's important to have some resting here. Let's have a look at the SPY S&P 500 ETF. And this looks a bit, let me turn off my drawings. This is a bit stronger in comparison to S&P QQQ. We are now a very important key level here. When we draw it here, this area is all-time high levels. This is also recovering, and what I would like to see here, as I mentioned before, some push through the resistance level, pull back, and then continue the uptrend. So S&P 500 looks stronger than the tech ETF QQQ. And now in the next ETF, as you will see the equal weighted ETF, there some participation from the other neglected stocks are also coming. Here you can see this is the RSP. RSP looks very strong, and this was the high from 2020 January, and we pushed through that level and then pullback, retest, consolidation, and then after Friday's event, the price went high, all-time high. This is a very good sign, and because this is showing that not only the big caps, mega caps are pulling the index higher, but also the smaller stocks, which in the S&P 500 index, which were neglected till now, they're also participating. So this is also broadening the breadth. So this gives us a very good chances to find some other opportunities than the mega caps. And the next one is the IWM. IWM is the small cap ETF, as I drawn here. This is the resistance line, and then we were consolidating here, and beginning of the July we pushed through that level, and then during the flash crash we pulled back that level, and now we are again surging to that level. So this is a great action, 3 weeks, but it's very fast, so I would be cautious here because there is still overhead supply. But given the news that the Fed will lower the interest rates, might be very helpful for the small cap companies. Overall, after the news on Friday, I can see that market breadth is broadening, which I mentioned with the equal weighted S&P 500 ETF, and this will give us some good and better opportunities, and also more opportunities, not only the mega caps. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe.